You guys, the focus has shifted from typing and data entry jobs to AI training jobs. That is because every day AI tools are being developed and they always need people to come and test it so that it does the right function that is expected to do once it is launched. So because of that, they're always looking for people to come on board to do this testing. So instead of waiting for typing and data entry jobs, just key into this era to be able to make money with AI. So in this video, I'm going to share with you platforms where you can find AI jobs that are hiring from anywhere, so you can key in, start training AI and be earning money from the comfort of your home. The best part is you don't need any experience or special skill to be able to get on board on this platform, and they are all remote, so you have to comfortably work from home without having any stress. The most important thing is that you have a phone or a laptop and internet connection to be able to work from the comfort of your home. So once you have all this, then you can go on to these platforms. So the first platform I want to mention is one that will pay you least compared to other ones that I have on the list for this video. This platform just needs you to take 3 steps. 1 is for you to sign up, 2 is for you to get the job done, and 3 is for you to get paid. They're going to pay you via PayPal, so you must have a PayPal account. And what is expected of you is to be available. You have to be human, you have to have some spare time to do this job, and then you can be getting jobs. But it is important for me to mention here that you have to be tested a little to be able to know how good you are with what you're expected to do, and for them to know how much you understand the job before you can start doing this job. This platform is available in 120 countries across the globe, and they said they have paid over $2 million to people in payment for the jobs that they have done, and they have over 1.5 million people on the platform that is working for them. That is to show you how legit this platform is. So if you come to the platform, you're going to see everything there is for you to know, and then to learn more about the jobs, you can go through the FAQs for you to understand and know the languages that are available on this platform, because most of the things you're going to be doing is to train AI in native language. So they will need you to be fluent, be able to read and write in the language that you may be signing up for. So for this platform, for people in Africa, South Africa and Egypt are the countries that platform is open to for people in Africa. So but you can see other countries from other places around the world, so you can sign up and get started doing this job, and make sure you have a PayPal account so that you can link your PayPal account to your profile to start getting paid once you have finished any task. So you have that in mind. Now on this platform, you can earn anywhere from $10 to $15 per hour doing the job. So you know, and you have to understand that the amount you're going to be paid is determined by the type of task you're going to be doing and the length of the task you're going to be doing. So you have that in mind as well. So the second one is similar to the first one we talked about. This one, the first one has over 1.5 million users, and they are available in 200 countries across the globe. So they have paid some amount of money out to people as well. And on here you can find tasks like draw a box around an object, categorize the scene in an image, transcribe audio to text, track the same object across frames in a video. So these are the type of jobs that you can find on this platform. If you come, you're going to see that from the testimonials that they have people from across different countries that can testify to working with them on this platform. So you can check it out and check out the jobs that they have available. So to apply, you click where it says get started, and then you're going to sign up by filling out this form, and once you're done, you're going to hit submit. So it is important for me to mention here that before you apply to any of these jobs, you must have an email account, because you're going to be asked about email accounts. It's one of the most important requirements for you to be able to sign up to this platform. So you might want to check it out and get started. This one, like the previous one, can pay anywhere from $10 to $20 per hour depending on the type of task you get to do. And you have to also understand that you may be tested before you start doing this job, so you have that in mind as well, so you get yourself prepared. So don't worry about the test if it sounds too scary. This is just for them to learn about how good you are or the knowledge you have about the job. And even if you don't do well on your first trial, you're allowed to do a second trial to be able to stand a better chance to work with them. So you might want to check that out as well. So the next platform we're going to talk about is one where you find remote jobs from different places, but especially in North America, because this platform does not really only offer AI training jobs. You can find different types of jobs like localization jobs and all those other type of jobs that you can see on this platform. And if you're interested in AI training, you'll come down here and click here where it says Trade AI Project. Then you're going to see a lot of AI jobs like AI data specialists and search engine evaluators and all this stuff. You can see that they have different locations and different countries here. So this one is for Arabic for people in Egypt. This one is for India, English of course, and in the United States as well. So for the amount you start to earn on this platform, it depends on the job you're going to do. Like for this one, that is data AI specialist in Arizona, they did not really specify the amount, but they specified every other thing and the number of hours you can work here. So this one also is AI data specialist in Tennessee, and is in the United States, and is going to pay $18 per hour to get this job done. So you might want to check it out if you're qualified, or if you think it's something you can do. You might want to get started doing it, and hopefully once you apply by clicking this apply for this job button here, you're going to see the forms you're going to fill. You can see that resume is a very mandatory thing for you to have here, your email and this other personal information you're expected to fill out here, so you can fill it out to get started. So if you're looking for a way to get a resume that will help you stand a better chance, I have prepared a 12-in-1 job application bundle that has a customizable resume that you can use that is ATS friendly. The best part is it will save you time. You can use it to apply to multiple jobs by customizing it to each job roles. That way you can stand a better chance. So if it's something you're interested in, do well to grab one copy with the link in the description of this video. And if you're seeing value so far, please don't fail to like and subscribe to our channel. We're really grateful to all of you that have been supporting us in different ways. We really appreciate you all. Another platform is one that is building system that will help AI and human balance work effectively. So on this platform, you can find varieties of jobs, but this platform is different from the ones I mentioned because on here you're expected to have some level of experience and skill to be able to work on this platform, because you're not going to be seeing only AI jobs. You can see other jobs from different fields as well. So if you're interested, you can go onto this website. You can check for AI jobs that you can see here. So if you come down here, you can see that this one is remote globalist for project manager. This one is project manager for the Philippines and these other countries here. Some of the jobs are remote as well. You can see this one is for engineers, like full stack engineers, and this is the AI strategist job. This one is in San Francisco. You can see the requirements and everything about the role, and if you something you fit in properly, you can go through it and then you can click apply here to fill out this form. And of course, you're expected to upload your resume here, and you can fill out the remaining part of the form and then you submit. Now this one will require you to have some skill like I mentioned here, and the amount you're going to be earning on this platform was not really stated, but you can earn anywhere from $20 to $50 per hour because you are expected to have some skill and experience on this platform. So every other thing will be communicated to you via email if everything is going smoothly for you. So if you're interested, you might want to check it out. Now I'm going to leave the link to all these websites in the comment section, so when you see the link, just comment seen so that I know that you have seen them. So the last one I'm going to talk about in this video is one that I have personally applied to. This is a very good website because it is available in almost all the countries of the world, and you can find different jobs. Like, you can be sure that you can be getting job alerts from this particular platform because they are always into projects. So on the platform, you can find varieties of jobs here. As you can see, it uses flexible hours for people that want to work here. You work from anywhere. The pay is competitive, and they have different ways you can receive your payment via Payoneer, ATM, and others. Of course, PayPal is also included. You can also get paid through your bank account if the project is in your locality. So you can work with AI and so many other things here. So to understand better about this platform, you can go through the FAQs for you to see the questions they have answered that people may have, so you can know more about it. Then to get started, you click here where it says earn remotely now. So you can see AI translation evaluators. These are most of the jobs here, and different locations for different languages. You can go through. For people in the Philippines, you can see this one, and this one is Yoruba for people in Nigeria that are Yoruba speakers. So you can see every other job here. So depending on the one that you are interested in, annotation and everything, if you qualify based on the language, you can apply. Like for this one that is for Yoruba, if you click on it, you can see the expectations of the job. So it's going to pay you $20 to $26.74 per hour. You're expected to be a native speaker, and you're expected to know how to speak both English and Yoruba language. You should be able to write as well. So these are the things that is expected of you here. So if you are in Nigeria and you're good with these languages, do well to apply, and hopefully you stand a chance of getting this job. So if you've seen value so far, please don't fail to like and subscribe. And if you're looking for other remote jobs or skills to learn, check out these videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.